Hello and welcome back. So today I'm really excited to announce I'm going to be hosting, or I have arranged, the Great British CoinTuber Hunt 2019. So basically I reached out, I wanted to have like I've done competitions in the past with ChangeTecher and UK Coin Hunt. I wanted to get a whole bunch of other CoinTubers together to do a hunt, a competition amongst us. So I thought it'd be nice to have about 10 channels. And I reached out to 10 channels thinking some of them are going to say no, some of them aren't going to be interested. But maybe I'll have a whole handful of people that will be interested in doing it. And to my complete surprise, everyone said yes, they're up for it. So a week from today, we'll be doing a £250 50p coin hunt. We've got a whole variety of different channels. From those of us that have got quite a few subscribers to those that are up and coming. Generally, channels that I've had interactions with, I've spoken to in the past. But I'll go through the whole roster now. So, sorry, I've got different things on different devices. So the roster, as it stands at the moment, is myself. This is in alphabetical order, apart from me, because my channel I come first. I've got myself. Absolute Coins, Bungle Collects, Caledonian Coins, ChangeTecher, Coins to Collect, Coin Cupboard, Coins with Lauren and Maya, Dom Collects, UK Coin Hunt, and UK Coin Hunter. So as I said, a whole range of different channels. I think this would be a really nice opportunity to put the spotlight on some of these other channels, especially the smaller channels, those that haven't got as many subscribers, because I'm sure you guys enjoy as much as I do watching other people do coin hunts, so the more of us doing it, the better. Now, what I will say is, if you have your own coin hunting channel and you haven't been a part of this, I do apologise. But like I said, I messaged 10 channels thinking maybe half of them are going to say no, either I can't do it, or I'm not interested in doing it, or might even ignore me. But everyone has been so amazing; they've all said they're up for it. And it would be a bit more difficult trying to arrange more people, but this is a great opportunity to see how this kind of video does, and potentially in the future I could arrange more of these, or maybe someone else will arrange a big CoinTuber hunt competition. Also, it's worth going and checking out their announcements. Everyone else's announcements are going out the same time, the same day, and our hunts will go up the same time, the same day, in a week's time at 6 p.m. But some of them are doing competitions like ChangeTech have done in the past. If you can guess who's going to win and the amount they're going to win by, you're in for a chance of winning. Now, I don't have an exhaustive list of who's doing what, but I know that ChangeTech, Lauren and Maya, I'm trying to rack my brains to think who else it was that said they were doing it. I can't remember. Anyway, go down to the description, check out the links to all their channels, and go into some competitions, and I'll cross my fingers and hopefully you'll be in for a chance to win. And I know I don't have the greatest track record of winning these competitions, so if you feel you need to pick someone else for your chance of winning, I won't take it personally. Especially my track record against ChangeTecher is appalling. So I'll run through how the points are going to work. It's going to be sort of similar to previous hunting competitions, with a slight change with some. So a Kew Gardens will be 100 points. Olympic football, wrestling, judo, triathlon and tennis is 40 points. Olympic goalball, shooting, taekwondo, handball, pentathlon, rowing, gymnastics, table tennis, basketball, sailing, wheelchair rugby, Olympic hockey, 2017 Shield, Sir Isaac Newton, Olympic weightlifting are 20 points apiece. Olympic cycling, Jemima Puddleduck, Olympic fencing, volleyball, badminton, equestrian, boxing, boccia, canoeing, aquatics, athletics and the 2003 suffragettes are all worth 10 points. You get 5 points for an Olympic archery, a WWF, a 2008 Britannia, Squirrel Nutkin, the NHS, the UK's entry into the EEC, and the Benjamin Britten. As I said, all 5 points for them. And then 1 point for the Battle of Britain, the Team GB, Commonwealth Games, Battle of Hastings, the Beatrix Potter Anniversary, so the one with the text on it from 2016, the Christopher Ironside, Girl Guiding, Scouts, Tiggy Winkle and Roger Bannister, as I said, all 1 point. And then a couple of wild cards, so 5 points for a territory, 75 points for an IRB Battle of Britain, that's the NIFC Battle of Britain, 75 points for the Olympic swimmer that's got the lines over the face. 2009 Olympic athletics, again 75 points. And then any of the NIFC shields, that's 2009, 10, 11 and 16 and 18 are 75 points. So I haven't included the rest of the 2018 coins because we don't know the mintages for them, and I don't want to sort of try and guess what mintage is going to be, so it's no additional points for the 2018s, and the same with the Sherlock Holmes as well. That won't be worth points, and I think I've said 5 points for any foreign coins as well. So the hunt, I'm not sure, I haven't even recorded my hunt yet. I'm well behind the trend on this, but I know some people aren't going to be able to get sealed bags, and in the past when I've done these kind of hunts, there's been people griping or complaining that whoever I'm competing against hasn't used sealed bags. Now, it's worth mentioning that the sealed bags, it's always a gamble as to whether you get sealed bags or bag bags. I'm very lucky in that the majority of the coins that I hunt through are sealed bags, but the odd time I'll get a bag. But I have every faith and every bit of trust in all the other participants playing fairly and by the rules. So if someone is using bags, that's just the way it's going to be. Like I said, it's difficult to be able to guarantee if you're going to get seal bags. So bear with them, because not everyone can get the seal bags like I can from time to time. So like I said, go out and check all those other channels out. Have a look at their competitions. Go into some competitions. I'm sure you guys are going to win. Root for me. I've got to win. I've organised this. I've got to win. But anyway, as I said, the hunt will go up at 6 p.m. This time next week. So fingers crossed, I'll be in for the chance of winning. So all that leaves me to do now is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments how excited you are. And if this kind of video goes well, I'm sure I'll be able to do another one sometimes in the future. Maybe not immediately. Straight after, because it took quite a bit of organising and planning to do this. It's been over a month in planning this video, so a big thank you to all the other channels that are participating in it. I hope you enjoy the competition, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.